Nice, I love it. Welcome back into the kitchen with another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking, guys. Amazing. This one is going to be red onion water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And this is what's going to happen, guys. Stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. So right here, I'm just cutting up some red onion to put inside of my cup right here, all right? Beautiful and nice, guys, as you can see it for yourself, all right? That is so lovely. So nice one. So this is the red onion. And what we're going to do, we're going to just chop them straight. All right, just like this. So I'm using half of a red onion, and you know what I mean, as I said, we're going to be using the red onion to kill inflammation and flush and detox your body. We're going to put some water in it now. Lovely and nice, all right? And that's it. All right, so now we're just going to cover it and leave it overnight. Stay tuned for more tips.